In today's video, I'm going to teach you Docusign eSignature, how to navigate admin settings. 5 minutes. First, sign into your Docusign account so you land on the main home or send page. Make sure you're using the correct account and environment for your organization, since settings you change here will affect your team. Once you're in, look toward the top navigation and open the admin area. This is your control center for users, security, branding, and more, and it's organized in a left-hand menu to make things easy to find. Let's start with users. Here you can add a new team member by choosing Add User, entering their details, and assigning the right permission profile. Permission profiles determine what someone can see and do, so apply the principle of least privilege. Give only what's needed to perform their role. If you already use groups, you can assign the user to a group right away to inherit the appropriate settings. When you save, DocuSign will send an invitation so they can activate their account. Next, open regional settings. This is where you set default time zones and date and time formats that will apply to newly created users. Choose the time zone that matches your primary business location and a date format your team understands at a glance. These defaults help keep envelopes, notifications, and audit trails consistent across your organization. Now head to branding. Here you can customize your logo, colors, and the header or footer links that appear in emails and signing experiences. Use a high-resolution logo with a transparent background, and pick colors that meet accessibility contrast guidelines for readability. If available on your plan, preview how your branding looks on desktop and mobile to ensure a polished, professional experience for recipients. Move on to security settings to establish strong account-wide policies. Set password requirements such as minimum length and complexity, and consider enabling lockout and rotation rules to reduce risk. For an extra layer of protection, turn on two-factor authentication options so users verify their identity when signing in. Strong security here protects both your documents and your signers. Finally, visit groups. Organizing users into groups like sales, HR, or finance makes permission management much easier. Assign permission profiles to a group once, and everyone in that group gets the right access automatically. This keeps your setup scalable as your team grows. That's it. You've logged in, explored the admin console, managed users, set regional defaults, customized branding, tightened security, and organized groups. Save your changes as you go, and you can return to any section later to refine your settings as your needs evolve.